Let's be honest, we are all a mess. And that is the common ground that we must come together and pick each other up. Hey, Newcomerstown, Ohio, school community, teens, teachers, staff. How are you, my friends? I hope you're doing well. My name is Jeff Yalden. On Tuesday, February 20th, that's right, I have the awesome honor of coming to your community. I'm spending the whole day. I'm talking to kids, middle school, high school. We're going to be spending time throughout the building, talking to classes or individuals, groups. In the afternoon, teachers, I'm excited. I get to spend an hour with you. Stop. I know how excited teachers get when they're like, oh, we have a teacher in service in February. We don't even have a break. This is crazy. I'm so excited, right? Yeah, no. Teachers, we're going to have a good day. I promise you it's going to be fun. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to be a part of your school climate for the day, but I promise you we're going to have fun. Young people, hey man, you're the ones I'm really coming for. I'm excited. I know many of you come into these assemblies thinking, this is going to be stupid, this is going to be boring, someone else to tell me do this and don't do that. Pay attention to your teachers, respect your parents, respect yourself, bullying, drugs, alcohol, don't do drugs. My friends, I'm going to tell you something. I've been traveling for 25 years all over the world, working with teenagers, teachers, parents, and mental health professionals. I'm not leaving my home in Myrtle Beach to come and waste your time. I'm also not coming to waste my time. My friends' lives are going to change. I promise you that. And so whatever you think that you might be coming down to listen to, you have no idea, my friends. But I promise you, if you're doubting me now, you come up to me afterwards and say, dude, man, I doubted you. I didn't think it was going to be anything like you said it was. And you let me know because I want your honest opinion. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to drop my heart right to yours. That's it. Parents, community members, 6 o'clock. I have the opportunity of speaking to you. We're going to talk about a bunch of things. Teenagers today, social media platforms, what the kids are doing, sexting. That may have made you want to like, oh, wow, this is going to be pretty interesting. Yeah. We're going to talk about teen mental health. We're going to talk about family. We can talk about parents' involvement and the involvement you have and the benefits that it brings to kids today. Kids today are hurting. Kids today are going through a lot. Kids today are on 24/7, 365. Parents, I know you're busy, but I want to invite you to come out on Tuesday night, 6 to 8 p.m. So, my friends, I'm looking forward to it. Newcomerstown, Ohio. You can follow me on social media. That's right. I'm at Jeff Yalden on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapface. That's right. We'll see you guys on Tuesday. Take care.